Yeah, welcome to this section. We're going to be looking at implicit differentiation. The question now is, when do we use it? We use it when we have two different functions. Unlike the one we have been doing before on chain rule, on product rule, on quotient rule, that's been one single function. But in this case, it's going to be what? Two functions. Okay, you can see your function x, function y. The question we have on the board, there are two functions. So we use it for by functions, two variables. But before we go, I want to quickly tell you, if you want to differentiate 2x, okay, or let's say 2x squared, you can see this function and this function, they're the same thing. This will give you 4x. In the case, you want to differentiate ddx of y squared. That's what I want to explain. Y squared is a function of itself, and at the same time, it's a function of what? Of this one. So this is going to be equal to what? It's going to be equal to d dy of that function times the y dx. You differentiate with respect to its own function. After that, you differentiate respect to what? Respect to x. So that's how to do the implicit differentiation. The first one, this one is going to be 2 over 3 x the power minus 1. So 2 over 3 minus 1. So that will be minus 1 over 3. Okay? Then plus, I didn't write, differentiates implicitly with respect to x. So this one is going to be what? It's going to be d dy of that function, and then dy dx. And then the constants are 0. This one means this wrt with respect to x. So that's what we have now. So this will be equal to 2 over 3, 1 over x. Can remove this minus here. Then this one will be plus 2 over 3 y. And then this one minus 1 over 3 dy dx equal to 0. Then make your dy dx the subjects. So we're going to have, move this one to other side. You can cancel this 3 cancel here, 3 cancel here. So we have this. This one also cancel by this. Okay, so that's the answer. Number 2, do the same thing. This will be 5x4. This one will be what? Plus 5y4 dy dx. Do it the same way. Okay, and that will be equal to, this one will be product rule. I'm going to take the 35 outside and open my brackets. So differentiate this x. That'll be 1 times, keep the y constant, then plus, keep your s constant now, and differentiate y. So we have this. Then you can open the brackets. So we have this. You can see 5 is common, so divide by 5. So you have this. It will be 7y. This one will be what? 7x dy dx. Bring the y dx together. Y4. This one will move to the other side. Minus 7x equal to 7y. Move this one to the other side. Minus x4. So your dy dx is equal to this. So that's the second one. Then the third one. So differentiates implicitly with respect to x. Okay. So this one is this one. We're going to differentiate the outer one. That will be cos of the function, and then times the inner function. That will be 1 plus the y dx equal to, this one will also be 1 plus the y dx. Can we open the brackets? So we're going to have this. Bring the dy together. So we have this equal to 1. Move this one to other side, and then make your dy dx the subjects. So that's that on these aspects. Okay, I want to say at this point that is the watermarks of the video. Please ensure you click on it and subscribe. Don't stop there. Begin to type your comment, click on like button, and begin to forward the links of this video to all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.